welcome back. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm gonna be cutting my own bangs because I'm tired of looking the same, and it's time for the bangs to come back because in the summer I don't like anything in front of my face. In winter I like to put bangs. So I'm filming you guys in the bathroom, and what I'm gonna just use is these scissors. These are hair scissors. I got these at the Dollar Tree. You can get these at Dollar Tree, and if I need a clip. So the first thing is they already I had my bangs cut a long time ago, so I'm just going to look for the shape of my bangs. Okay, so these are the shape of my bangs. You can see right there. Let me get a brush. We're just gonna get this brush here so we can brush them. So these used to be my bangs. I'm gonna brush my hair that way so you guys can see it. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hair so I will not miss. I won't miss anything. So this is what I'm gonna be cutting here. These are my bangs, you guys. These are really long. So this is what it looks like. Here they made this little part. So I'm just gonna be cutting all of these. So I'm just going to I just don't want hair missing in there. Okay. So I'm just going to be just comb it. Okay, and I'm gonna be wetting my bangs because I like to cut my bangs with my hair wet. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not like a professional cutting hair, but this is how I do it. I looked up videos, so yeah. Okay, anyway, so this is what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, I have not cut my bangs for a long time. So I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna scoot over, and I'm gonna bring my trash because I'm gonna be like throwing hair here, and I don't want to be all on the floor. So I really hope you guys can see this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna cut them like, you know, like straight like this. What I'm just gonna do is I'm just going to start, probably I'll just cut this part here. Now, I don't know how I want my bangs to be extra long. So, what I'm going to do is cut, I'm going to cut this part because they're way too long. There you go. I cut a part of it. Okay, now they're short. Okay. So now, alright. So now this is a good part. I'm just gonna go like this, and I'm gonna pull down, and I'm just going to cut. some shape in here. Look at that. I think that maybe I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that. So with my hair down, this is what it looks like. So this is what it's gonna look like with my hair down. Yeah. Okay, so I kind of like it like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my bangs. Okay, so I went ahead and straightened my bangs. So this is what it looks like without. This is what it looks like if I just want to put it sideways. But if I wanted to put it like sideways like this, I can do like that and grab my hair and, you know, have some fringe in there because, you know, I'm tired of looking the same and I want to look different. So this is what my hair looks like with bangs. And I'm going to get a haircut because I just have to. So yeah, this is what my hair looks with bangs. I can do it like sideways, or I can do it, I can work with my bangs. It's been a long time I don't have bangs. But yeah, I think I need a little bit probably over here. This one's kind of like way too big. So let me fix it. So my bangs looks like, you guys. I know it looks kind of like, but I can just play with it. I can do it sideways like this, or let me put your eyes. Or I can put, I don't know, like that, or like this, or whatever. But yeah, so this is what my bangs look like. They're kind of like, I need to get used to them because honestly, I haven't had bangs for a long time. But this is what my hair looks, my hair down. If I have my hair down, I think it looks better with hair down. And do it in the front. But yeah, that's what my hair looks like, you guys. You see? My hair looks like with my hair down. Now if I straighten my hair, it's gonna look completely different. But yeah, so I need to play with my bangs a little bit. Probably back in the summer or whatever, I'm gonna get like tired of it. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Here, this is what it looks like. I think I look much better with the hair down and everything. But yeah, so this is what cutting my own bangs. It's pretty easy. If you don't know how to like cut your own bangs, I suggest to go to salon first, and then, you know, just ask them how you want it so they can do it. Don't go just, you know, doing it yourself because you're gonna kind of like screw it up. But I've looked up some videos and I just did it myself and I liked how it looked. So yeah, so this is the bangs. I really like it. It's pretty fun. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this easy cutting your own bangs. If you guys like this, subscribe, put a big thumbs up in this video, and I want to give a special shout out to my nephew who watches my videos, and I'm gonna do this in Spanish. So I'm just going to put letters down here because some of you probably don't know what I'm saying. So yes. So, hola Andrek, ¿cómo estás? Soy tu tía. Gracias por mirar mis videos. Te quiero mucho. Te mando un beso. Y nos vemos muy pronto. Bye, corazón. So, there you go, guys. I just did a special announcement to my nephew, Andrek. And, yes, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.